So I'm going to give you kind of a quick run-through of Registry Decoder. First of all, just kind of if you navigate through the all files here and you kind of just pull down the structure, you'll see kind of they kind of separate things out into this kind of core, which would be kind of the more like system registry files, right? The things that would be in System32 config, as well as the NT user registry files. So that's going to be kind of user-specific registry data. If we wanted to, for example, look through like a particular file, if you wanted to actually navigate through the structure, you'd select it and hit View. You'll see I had this other tab kind of pop up over here, this Browse tab. And this will actually let me kind of, walk through the actual through the actual Hive if I wanted to. You can look at keys and things like that, right? But I think one of the real benefits to Registry Decoder is its plugins. And the plugins are really, really helpful for just kind of collecting information and doing it in a more automated fashion. So for example, if I wanted to do something like on that same registry file, on the administrator registry file, I select my plugin type as NT user, right, because this is a user registry file. It'll show the ones associated with that. And then I can do something like show me the recent docs, right? I click Run Plugin. You'll see this thing pop up over there on the right-hand side. And you'll get kind of this, this listing of the recent applications that have been accessed by the user.
Which user?
The administrator users. We had selected administrator Hive. So you can do that, and basically this will allow you to kind of automate some of this. So instead of navigating through each individual component, it'll kind of automate and show you all of those related items. You can do things like, same thing with like user assist entries, and you'll see it'll, pop up with a similar data there. And now this kind of does all that, that ROT13 decoding for you, and it puts it all in one place, right? So what I think about the benefit that is here, right, while other applications will do this, is that like in this case, like I just wanted to see user assist keys. It just gave me user assist keys, but it gave me all of them, right? So instead of going one by one through them, or getting a whole bunch of information with user assist keys somewhere in the middle, this kind of puts it like, this is what I want to see, show me that. So I think that it's really beneficial from that perspective. So also, just kind of, going through it, just we talked about, we're going to kind of bypass the timeline stuff for now. But I also want to show like the search capabilities, is that you can also do like, searches for, if I wanted to search in a particular file for, give me a term. Oh, we'll do the support user, right? And we'll do, what was that file name? We'll do something like, MS build, right? I'm going to do a partial search because exact search won't give me any like links, like extensions or anything like that beyond it. So it'll give me kind of everything there. And you'll see I get this, search results tab, and now I have all these different entries in there as well, right? So it's something that you can kind of, look through. So you can actually perform keyword searches and kind of perform some analysis on that.
Can it run the plugins over the parent of core or NT user?
No, it's designed to run on a particular user, and I think that's really just for the purposes of like kind of not having too much information in one fell swoop, because as you can see, like if you run it, most of the plugins don't, like if I were to run user assist again, don't actually like list any user, like they don't list the path that was to that registry file, right? So like up here, that it's, user assist from administrator and partition one, whatever, right? But it's not actually in the output.